Globaliptrust presents the HiMo H1. This is the HiMo H1. The HiMo H1 is a brand new foldable e-bike that you can take with you anywhere you go. Its foldable design lets you easily carry it to your destination. The HiMo is carefully crafted to perfectly complement its rider, both folded or unfolded. It was developed in New York, with extensive research for almost 2 years, and many other adjustments and moldings. It was developed as a way for people to move within and around the city. It was built to be extremely durable, lightweight and compact. The most impressive feature of the HiMo is that you can fold it into a compact size that will fit any car, train, or even your backpack. It weighs only 14.5 kilograms, so that you can carry it with ease. The chassis is built using an aluminium alloy that is both rugged and lightweight. It comes with a comfortable padded mesh seat and 7-inch shock-absorbent tires for extra comfort. It is equipped with a crystal-clear LED display on the handlebar that lets you see your ride information any time of the day. The 7500 mAh removable battery powers a 180-watt brushless DC motor that lets you hit speeds of up to 18 kilometers per hour and a total range of up to 30 kilometers. HiMo goes with you everywhere, is environmentally friendly, and is an absolute joy to ride. For more information on the HiMo H1, visit himobikes.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.